we're going to talk about pointer. So what is a pointer? So before we start, let me go ahead and maximize this editor, and as you can see, I have this file created earlier, ex43 underscore what is a pointer.c. So pointers are very important in C programming because they allow you to easily work with memory locations. They are fundamental to arrays, strings, and other data structures and algorithms. A pointer is a variable that contains the address of another variable. In other words, it points to the location assigned to a variable and can indirectly access the variable. So pointers are declared using the asterisk or star symbol and it's going to take this form. So pointer type, and then the symbol, star symbol, and then the identifier or the name of the pointer. So let me go ahead and give you an example. So let's create a variable j63 and then a pointer which has identifier p. Let's assign null for empty, and then we're going to assign the address of j to the pointer, and then let's print this out. The address of j is let's do the printf again, and then another one. The value of j is then j, and then lastly gonna say p is pointing to the value %d, and that is the pointer. So let's run this program first, and I don't see any errors, so let's go ahead and compile and run. And as you can see, this is the result. So the address of j is 62FE. This is the hexadecimal value, and p contains the address, same address. The value of j is 63. P is pointing to the value 63, which is correct. So there are several things to notice about this this program, this example. So first, its pointer should be initialized to null. Okay, declared and initialized. Make sure to initialize it to null until they are assigned a valid location. Since we don't have a valid location yet, so we should put null for the initialization. And then second, pointers can be assigned to the address of a variable using the ampersand. So on this line 8, you see this AND. So that's how we assigned a variable with the help of the AND operator. Next is to see what a pointer is pointing to. Use the star again, as in this example. So in this case, the star is called the indirection or the reference operator. So we use the star, dereferencing the p, the pointer. So this process is called dereferencing. So the program may look like different in your end. It depends on what system you're currently using. So for Windows, for my version of Windows, it has an address of this. It's saved under on this address. The value is correct, 63. P or the pointer is pointing to the value 63, which is correct. So just a quick note that some algorithms use a pointer to a pointer, and this type of variable declaration uses double star. and it can be assigned the address of another pointer, as in, let me just give you an example, a real quick example in here. So it's going to look something like this: x12, and then pointer p is equal to null int ptr. This is another pointer, is equal to null, and then p is equal to p address of x. ptr is equal to pointer. So as you can see, we have created two pointers. On this pointer, this type of variable declaration needs to use double star and can be assigned the address of another pointer. So we have already saved the address of x in the pointer in this variable. We assign it to another pointer. So to do that, we need to use the double star. You have to take note of that. So that's it. And before we wrap up, let's have a quick exercise. I have a little exercise here for you, and the same process. I want you to fill in the blanks to declare a pointer to the var variable. So as you can see, there's a missing piece of code in here that you need to fill in, and if you know the answer, please feel free to put it in the comments section below. Thank you.